Hey guys, welcome to another trading indicator video. If you are unable to find suitable entry and exit points in a trading session, or you need help regarding the use or understanding of trading indicators, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to give an in-depth review of MACD forex indicator. We will have a look at its customized settings and its application in the trading session. Moreover, there are some live trading session examples involving MACD forex indicator, so stay tuned till the end. A MACD forex indicator is usually represented in the form of a histogram. This histogram contains a central line which is also called a zero line. The lines above this zero line represent a bullish trend, while the lines below this zero line represent a bearish trend. If we compare MACD forex indicator with the traditional MACD indicator, you can notice a clear difference in the formation of histograms. A MACD forex indicator contains four colors for displaying of this histogram, while a traditional MACD indicator uses only two colors. If we have a look at the histograms of these two indicators, if we look at this point, MACD forex indicator is showing us trend lines of bullish nature, while simple MACD indicator is failing here. This is because when the prices are moving at a very high rate, or we are facing a volatile market, MACD forex indicator is much advanced and accurate as compared to MACD indicator. Both these indicators are moving averages, convergence, and divergence. But MACD forex is definitely an upgrade to a MACD indicator because of its ability to work in a volatile market with better success ratio, and it gives us a better user-friendly experience by using four different colors. If we have a look at the MACD forex indicator settings and input, you have to simply double-click this histogram, and a window will pop up here which will represent four different colors. You can change these colors according to your preference and choice. You can also change the look of this indicator. Traditionally, this indicator is represented in the form of histogram, but you can change it in the form of lines or crosses or areas according to your personal choice. As the name of MACD forex represents that it is a moving averages indicator. So it uses moving averages for its calculations and drawing these calculations in the form of a histogram. It uses two types of moving averages. One is the fast moving average, which is based on 12 lines, while the slow moving average is based on 26 lines. Yes, you can change this setting here, but it is not recommended to change these settings because if you change these settings, indicator can experience some lagging in the real-time trading, and you can miss several opportunities in a trading session. So as far as the colors are concerned, you can always change them according to your ease and user experience, but it is not recommended to change the moving averages input. If we have a look at the working of MACD forex indicator, we need to go through two terms. The one is divergence and the other one is convergence. We have already gone through that. MACD forex indicator contains a zero line. Suppose this is a zero line. If prices are moving away from this zero line, we will name it as divergence. If prices are moving towards this zero line, we will call it a convergence. Same goes for a bearish trend. If the prices are moving away from zero line, it is a divergence, and if prices are moving towards the zero line, it is a convergence. So if we look at these two peak points, it is a significant divergence from zero line. If we compare this divergence in a bearish trend and we draw a trend line here, you can notice that these prices are at a significant difference as compared to this zero line, so we will name it as divergence. As these prices move toward the zero line, it will form a convergence. A MACD forex indicator usually generate entry and exit point based on convergence and divergence of these prices. Now you have understand the concept of convergence and divergence. It is time to formulate our trading strategy around MACD forex indicator. As we have already know that MACD forex indicator represents bullish and bearish trends with the reference to a zero line. If the prices are moving away, we call it our divergence. As you can see here, a chart is forming a divergence because the prices are moving away. If the prices are moving towards the zero line, we will name it convergence. We can formulate our trading strategy around this convergence and divergence. If we have a look at this point, the blue arrow is showing a significant trading entry point here. If you look at the chart, the prior trend is a bearish one and the prices are slightly moving in a bullish trend. So it is an appropriate entry point. As the prices converge from our zero line and move to the top, we can exit our trade here. Following this exit, we can see that prices are converging and moving toward the zero line. So in a chart, it is our entry point and it is our exit point. This entry and exit is based on convergence and divergence of prices. We can further enhance our chances of success while using MACD forex indicator with the confluence of support and resistance zone. If we have a look at this zone, here is a divergence of prices. Prices are moving away from zero line. Same goes for MACD forex indicator. The prices are showing a divergence. So at this point, when prices touch a point here that you have drawn a support zone here, the prices usually move in a bullish fashion. Same goes for the trend. The prices are moving away. And here is a significant divergence from our point of zero line. Same goes for the chart. So as the prices begin to move in a bullish way, here is our entry point. We can find a good entry point here. As the prices, it goes at a top level, as this red arrow indicates that it is a good point for exiting our trade. As later on we move from this point, we can see a convergence of prices towards the zero line. So it is a good trading opportunity in a chart. So while using our support and resistance zone with confluence to the MACD forex indicator, we can significantly increase our chances of success. If I extend this chart here, here is another example. As the prices hit a point here, it is a good entry point. Same goes for MACD forex indicator. Here, prices form a convergence and are close to our zero line. It is a good entry point. As the prices hit our line here, they will take a boom. Same goes for the chart. The prices are moving up and taking a divergence from our zero line. So here is also another trading opportunity. So you can take significant profit from this point to this, and you can take significant profit from this point to another. So I have explained 2 points where you can significantly take profit from our trading chart. I hope I was able to clear your concept about trading indicators and formulate a trading strategy around MACD forex indicator. To stay tuned about the future trading indicators videos, subscribe our channel and visit our website. Thank you very much for watching.